I'm live. Zooming onto the 1 hour chart so we can see what's going on. We see off the top, looks like it appears as though a 5 wave move has come down. That's kind of what it looks like. We take a screenshot so I can draw on this a little bit. So we're looking at what looks like a 5 wave move down. Looking for 3 waves up or more. This could be 3 waves. It's possible. That would really fake out Elliot wave traders, which the market does like to do. Potential weird looking 5 wave up, a sharp looking 3 wave down, and we may have bottomed and we're going to go up. Market kind of doesn't look like that, and I would not expect that over the holidays. So for now, I'm just expecting 3 waves up into the highs of basically the box. The highs of the box. This would be my take profits off of longs that I took earlier today from a 3 wave move, but we'll get to that. Solve that, and we'll zoom into the lower time frames. See what we're seeing on the lower time frames. 15 minutes should do. And I'll turn on my markings. So what that says just a channel down. Your standard ABC is kind of what it looks like for now. Like markings. Just an A, choppy B, and C. Right down to a channel. I've shared this setup many times in the Discord. It's just after you have an impulse up, 3 waves back, channeling. That's the sign of a correction for what's going on. And you could expect continuation afterwards. Rectangle. This was earlier a buy. Swing failure pattern, accumulation, swing failure at the bottom, back up to the high. But it came back down to the bottom of the box, so I'm expecting that probably get revisited later, just because it came a little low. If it was really bullish, it would have stayed above the box. It would have just stayed up there and just kept on going, would not have given you an opportunity to get back in. So the fact they gave you an opportunity to get back in just makes me think it's going to 3 wave back up and then drop again for another 5 potentially. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Let me delete my ABC off of there. Deleted my channel. From a symmetry standpoint, show you what I'm seeing from a symmetry standpoint. So this goes along with timing as well. As you can see, I have 2 boxes drawn on my screen, 1 box there, and I'm expecting it to match here. I'm expecting a similar type of consolidation so that I could match the ABC 3-wave move, spiked up, this one spiked there, consolidate, and then I'm expecting this move comes sometime soon, within the next 24 hours if I had to guess. And that is a tradable impulse up. Your stop loss goes at the low here. If we revisit that low, I would expect further down because we have liquidity here, liquidity all through here. So this is where my current stop loss is. Expecting 5 up, 3 back, 5 up. And I do believe there's a 2-day order block at 17,400 or 17,200. I'd be taking profits there at 17,200 and maybe look for a little push further. See if there's a consolidation up there. And you might have a swing failure pattern to enter short. This does look like an impulse off the bottom. This has the appearance of either 5 is finished or it's doing 4 and it's going to do 5. Come back down to the 3-hour order block or 3-way move down, and then it's going to spike up. And it'll give the appearance maybe that it's going to continue and go for another 5 to turn this into a 1, 2, and make it look like there's a 3, and then it just gets sold into potentially. you got to think, like we were saying earlier, context. We are in a low liquidity holiday trading weekend. So you got to expect that the market makers and some of the market participants may take advantage of that. Above the resistance there is a 2-day order block at 17,216. I'm expecting resistance there. And then potentially a wave up to 17.4, maybe as high as 17.6, but I would expect heavy resistance there. We could measure that with the 1-to-1, base foot extension. Oh, I'm on log scale. Let me turn it off a log. Measure that to the low. There's the 1-to-1 coming in at 17,347, 1272 at almost 16,000 or 17,600, almost up there. So this is an interest zone right there in the corrective pocket. You might want to look for some kind of consolidation, swing of the high, and then if it comes back down with any vengeance, it's probably going to break the lows. And we might have continuation down for a larger ABC to continue this move from before. 5, 3, 5, down to 13 or 15,300 or something like that. Something to watch out for, guys. Definitely trade risk, manage your risk. Currently, I'm managing my risk off of that current low from today. That looks like a good swing failure pattern. Came back inside the consolidation. I'm expecting that low to hold at least for another wave up to break the upper liquidity. Just makes sense from a market standpoint. All right, trade safe, guys. I'm out.
That does look good.